it needs to go somewhere where there aren't hair follicles. That's the important thing. And in general, we tell people not to put it on the breasts. That honestly probably doesn't matter, but because there's this whole boogaboo about the potential for breast cancer, just leave it away from the breast so we don't have to even think about it. The forearm is a convenient place. The thigh is fine as well. The problem with the hair follicles, there are enzymes in the follicles that metabolize, that break down hormone. And so if you put it in an area with hair follicles, number one, you're going to get less of the hormone actually make it through without getting broken down. And some of the things that the hair follicles can break the hormones down may not be other hormones that you want to have. So there's less side effect and you get more drug into you if you put it in an area without hair. Whatever that area is dealer's choice. So the inside of the forearm is fine, the thighs, the inner thighs where there aren't hair is also fine. It's just, whichever place someone chooses to explain it. I think, and we just thought the forearm was an easier explanation.